Hi everyone and welcome back to Chubby Baby's Kitchen. Are you looking for a nutritious and tasty way to support your baby's weight gain? Today I am sharing a game-changing recipe that is packed with calories, protein and essential vitamins and minerals. Very perfect for babies from ages 5 months and above. If this seems like what you are interested in, kindly keep watching and let's get started. For the ingredients, you will be needing 1 piece of ripe plantain. Make sure it is nice and ripe for that natural sweetness and creamy texture. 1 boiled whole egg. This provides essential protein for growth and development. 1 whole red apple. I am using a red apple because it is higher in calories than green apples, making it perfect for weight gain. Before we begin, ensure the plantain is washed thoroughly in water to remove any dirt or bacteria. Once cleaned, carefully peel the skin, then chop the plantain into small pieces. After chopping the plantain, go ahead and scoop the plantain into a plate and set aside. Go ahead and peel, core and chop the apple into small pieces. I recommend using a red apple due to its higher calorie content, but green apples are also suitable if red apples are unavailable. Once you're done chopping the apples, you want to transfer them into a clean plate. Alongside with the chopped plantain, add room temperature water and wash thoroughly to remove dirt and bacteria. Add clean water into a medium-sized pot and carefully add the chopped plantain into the water. Then bring the water to a boil over a low to medium heat. Now it's time to check the plantain for doneness. After 5 minutes of simmering, it should be soft and easily mashable or blendable. You can do this by gently pressing the plantain with your fingers. If it feels soft and tender, it's done. Alternatively, you can use a fork. Insert the fork into the plantain. If it pierces through easily, that's a good sign. And then if not, continue simmering for a few more minutes. And yeah, your plantain is now fully cooked. Scoop it out of the pot and transfer it to a plate or directly to your blender. Be sure to reserve the plantain cooking liquid as you will need it later for blending. You want to pour a cup of water into the pot, then place your apple slices in a food steamer and position the steamer over the pot, ensuring that the apple isn't touching the water. I love to steam my apples because it helps to retain the nutrients in the apple without losing any. Cover the steamer with a lid and steam your apple on low heat for 5 minutes or until tender. It's 5 minutes now, so let's check if the apple is fully cooked. Just take 1 piece of apple, press it hard, and if it is tender, that means it's done. If it is not tender yet, please steam for additional 1 or 2 minutes. You want to combine your cooked plantain and your steamed apple in a blender. Next is to crack your boiled egg and carefully add it to the blender as well. Remember the plantain liquid that was set aside? It is now time to add it. If you want your puree to be very thin and light, then you can add more of the plantain sauce. But if you want it very thick, then a little bit of the plantain liquid is only required. Blend the mixture on high speed, but consider your baby's age and texture preference. For babies aged between 5 to 7 months, blend until very smooth, but for babies aged 8 to 1 year, blend until it is slightly chunky. To all our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning into this channel. I wouldn't have been doing this without you. Thank you and thank you so much. To our new subscribers, thank you so much for joining our community. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more videos like this. And that's it. After blending for a few minutes, our delicious and nutritious plantain, apple and egg puree is ready. This puree is highly loaded with essential nutrients, very easy to make for your baby, perfect for breakfast, dinner or any meal. It doesn't select the time of the day that you make it. You can make it in the morning, at noon or even at night, and it is very supportive for weight gain. Please feel free to customize according to your child's preference. You can decide to add butter or baby formula if that is what you prefer, or you keep it simple like I do. This meal is perfect for working moms with busy schedule. All you need to do is put this meal in your baby flask, take to your place of work or your office, and when it is time to feed, just bring it out, keep it warm and feed your baby. That's all. It saves time, promotes healthy living and supports brain development. And it is a complete replacement for custard. You can see the texture, the consistency and the color looks just like custard. So dish the processed custard and give your baby the best. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and parenting tips. Hit the notification bell and please share this recipe with fellow moms. There are a lot of moms out there that need a recipe like this to help their baby to gain weight. Kindly share so that it will get to a lot of moms to join our community. Happy cooking and happy parenting. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye bye.